Welcome to the Market Alert for Friday, the 8th of July 2016. Starting off in the 5-minute chart yesterday, you can see the pre-market session fairly quiet there, a range of 50 points in this session, and then you can see the market starting to move higher. We had a buy signal which failed to get to the scalp area, managed just to get through and then sit for a while before the market reversed with an opposing signal, and then prices moving lower there. So a loss on the first one of 13 points as the market switched the trade, and then getting out at the 20-point scalp on the second one just before the release of the crude oil figures. And then of course prices continuing to move lower. We then had a buy signal in the early part of the evening, the market just touching this and then reversing to move lower. And again we see a loss on this trade as the market moves back to the downside. And again, just unfortunately, I'll just mark this up on the right trade there. It's this one, not the other one. So being stopped out there with just around 37 points with the spread on this trade, and then the market just hitting the 20-point scalp on the sell trade there, just coming down and touching it and bouncing off to pick up a few points before the market then finds support and moves back up before driving through the scalp there at 25 minutes to 9:30, 25 minutes before the close. And then we see the market moving up, and just as we get to 9 p.m. pulling the trade on this one for just over 40 points to give a profit of around 30 points, 33 to be precise, for the trading session there. So a bit of a choppy one. 5 trades there, 2 losses, and the other 3 winners. In the daily chart, we've got the market sideways. You can see yesterday the range dropping off again, the overnight fairly quiet, and also notice the drop off in volume again as the market tried to move higher but failed to do so. So again, we're stuck in this sideways range. We've had this now for the last 3 trading sessions, and the 4th overnight one is looking very similar there as well at the moment. News-wise today, we've got nothing out after 1:30 p.m. We've just got the unemployment rate, non-farm payroll figures to come out, and the average hourly earnings as well. Meanwhile, on the implied volatility front, we've got 12.20 up slightly for yesterday. And again, I think this is probably about the lows we're going to see for the implied volatility, and that's because we've got this problem with Deutsche Bank. And the bank made a new low yesterday in the share price. If it breaks 10 euros per share, then we'll see some panicking setting in as far as the European bank is concerned. Right, well, that's it for today, and also for this week. I will report in later today if there's anything to report. Other than that, have a great day, also a great weekend. I will see you in Monday's edition of the Market Alert. Until then, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.